lights. You know that I don't mind where we're heading to. Get in the car and wrap your fingers around the wheel and drive. You know that I don't care as long as I'm with you. Don't you worry, don't you ever be sorry. You will be alright. We should never let ourselves get stuck in a job from 9 to 5. These small town minds are always killing me, killing me. We never get the chance to chase our dreams, chase our dreams. Don't you worry, don't you ever be sorry. You will be alright. Don't you worry, you will be
The last thing I recall was a question in my head. Some things we say don't make any sense. I can make myself real small, pretend I'm somewhere else, leave you for a moment, but there's no escape from myself. I wake up with sunlight in my eyes, and finally as the sleep clears from my mind, and once again I realize you still got nothing left to say except fall back on I love you. Just cause you say, just cause you say there's too much water on the flames, you can't rekindle what remains. Oh darling, walk away. Just cause you say, just cause you say you love me, that don't make it true, because I've never seen the proof, and we should walk away. And we should walk away. I can ask you, how's your day? I can sit with practiced warmth, then we'll lie down again in this bed of thorns. And we cross paths like ghosts in the hallway. This beauty that I don't see the beauty in before me. An example of a flower that's faded with crazy to use phrases like I love you. Just cause you say, just cause you say there's too much water on the flames, you can't rekindle what remains. Oh darling, walk away. Just cause you say, just cause you say